I'm so excited about this video because once you figure this one out, you're going to be able to have massive, explosive growth in your business long term because of the one key principle of success: consistency. Let's get right into it. We're talking about how to make your weekends productive. And you have to start with realizing that it's how you start something and how you end something that's crucial. When it comes to your day, it's how you start it and how you end it. When it comes to your week, it's how you start it and how you end it. With the month, with the year, with your life, with your career, everything. How did you start it and how did you end it? When you think about an airplane, what are the two most important parts of a flight? It's the takeoff and it's the landing. Whatever happens in between that, you can let the bots take care of that, right? From what I understand, pilots don't even stare the planes anymore, but they're fully alert and responsible at takeoff and landing. You need to think the exact same way about your day, about your week, your month, and your year, and beyond. This is the key right here. So how do you make sure that the beginning and the end is fantastic? They need to look the same. So what does that mean? It means that you are actually making sure that you have identical days the entire week. Monday's the same, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are all the same. Every single day looks the same. You want to, on your journey towards success, experience every day as the same. Yes, boring, mundane, blah, blah, blah. That's how success works. Once you realize that, things begin to happen in your life. When you accept that this is the journey towards success. Most people are not willing to do it, and therefore you will become a success because you are willing to do it. You should not be able to know which day it is. That's kind of, showing of a person that's on his way somewhere because he just does the same thing repetitively, continuously, and consistently long term. Is this going to be like this forever? No. Okay, once you got your freedom, every day is going to look different if you want to. Right? If you've got huge goals though, hey, this might be your life. And those huge goals will make you an absolute legend long term. You can thank me later. So let's understand now how a regular day looks like. I've talked about the key principles of, a success in the daily schedule, and that comes from early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Amazing quote. Don't know who came up with it, but it's freaking awesome. And if you apply this one, then the weekend becomes completely solved. It becomes productive like any other day. Because during the weekends, guess what happens? The entire world around you in your local community, with your friends, your family, everything changes, doesn't it? They're like, this is the time to hang out. Should you hang out? I don't recommend hanging out. And what I mean by hanging out, I'm talking about hanging out in a way that disrupts your morning routine and evening routine. Whatever happens in the middle, you have time for 1 to 2 to 3 hours to hang out with family and friends during the weekends. Yes, of course. But you don't do it early in the morning. No one does that anyway. And you don't do it late at night. This is key. Because the moment you stay up, what happens? You basically become drunk, whether you are a drinker or not. Because staying up and then sleeping in, it basically kind of has almost the same effects as a hangover. If you've noticed, you kind of become drunk. It's you drink and drive, and if you basically are sleepy and drive, same consequences, same fatalities, same danger. It's the exact same thing when it comes to the weekend. Do not use stimulants and do not stay up late at night. And if you can manage to just do that, Just do that during your weekends. You'll be able to have the same schedule every single day, doing the 80-hour work week, 11.5 hours of work, 3.5 hours, is it 4.5 hours of self-care, right? That's 16 hours. And then you've got 8 hours of sleep. This is the perfect week to get massive amounts of things done. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and send me a DM if you'd like as well. I'd love to hear your story and participate on your success journey. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.